So integration of function in the form of fraction. We can call it, this is fraction form, where you can notice that our denominator is in the power of 1. So this is our fraction form. Formula number 6 about fraction. So the condition here is our denominator power to 1. We cannot take it out. When we take it out, we want to integrate using formula 2, let's say, it will become invalid. When you have power of 1 at your denominator, when you take it out, it will be power negative 1. So if using formula number 2, power tambah 1 dia jadi kosong. Over power baru. Can we divide something in 0? No. So that's why this formula is dealing for the fraction where your denominator in power of 1. So untuk keadaan penyebut dia kuasa 1 saja. So x kuasa 1. The whole thing here power of 1. So integrate 1 over x, get back ln x. So ln here to be modulus because we want to avoid negative. Ln cannot bring something negative here. It will be invalid. So that's why when we function we put here, we will automatically put modulus to avoid any negative number come out. So untuk penyebut, kalau x, 1 over x terus dapat ln x. Kalau penyebut adalah linear ini, ax tambah b, kita terus ln ax tambah b. So jangan lupa per dengan coefficient of x, which is a. Alright. So like example 6, 2, we factorize out. Integrate 1 over x. We get ln x. So integrate 1 over x, we get ln x. So for this one, constant factorize out. Leaving here is 1 over x. So integrate 1 over x, we have ln x plus c. Next. So you can notice that our denominator is no longer x only. But it's a linear, but power of 1, we cannot do anything. So what can we do? Formula. Using the formula, integrate this, we'll get ln 2x minus 3. Because you have a linear here, you have a coefficient x here, so you're going to divide by 2. So plus c. So if I want to rewrite it, the 1 over 2, I can make it as a constant or coefficient in front of this function ln. So dua situasi je. Kalau ln 1 per x, dapat ln x. Kalau 1 per linear, ln linear tersebut, then over the coefficient of x. Alright, so for this one, 2 factorize out. So 1 over linear. So 1 over linear is our formula number 6. They will give you ln to this linear over the coefficient of the linear is negative 2. Then we can simplify.